This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open the Google Play app on your Android device to start. Tap your profile icon in the top right to access account options. If the profile icon shows multiple accounts, choose the one you used to save items. Make sure you are signed into the correct Google account before proceeding. This ensures your wishlist items appear if you previously saved any. If you are on a Chromebook, open the Play Store from your launcher. Now you are ready to navigate to the wishlist section easily. After opening your account menu, tap Library or Manage Apps and Devices. Look for a tab labeled Saved, Wishlist, or Items you saved. Tap that tab to reveal apps, games, movies, books, or other saved content. Use the search box inside Saved to quickly locate a specific item by name. You can also use filters or sort options if they appear to group apps, books, or media. If you use Google Play on the web, go to Play, Google.com, and open your saved list similarly. To manage wishlist items, tap any saved entry to open its details page. From there, select Install for apps or Buy for paid content to proceed. To remove an item, tap the saved icon again or choose Remove from the menu. Your wishlist stays synced across devices when you remain signed into the same account. Clearing app cache or signing out may hide wishlist items temporarily from view. Regularly review saved to keep the list current and avoid duplicate entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.